Yo guys, and welcome back towards this new video here on the channel. And on today's video I will be discussing Ethereum, and I will be going over the question, is Ethereum right now a good asset to invest in, or should we not even look at Ethereum right now? So guys, without any further ado, let's get right away into the content. But before that, don't forget to right away slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and of course ring the bell notification, so you definitely will be not miss out on any of the further content that we're going to drop out on the channel. But with that being said guys, let me start off with discussing Ethereum. So, before we're exactly going to go in towards the charts here, I want to be talking about the RSI, a very important indicator on Ethereum. So, if we're going to take up the RSI here in the daily time frame, we can see right away one very interesting thing that is currently playing out here. Because currently, we can see that Ethereum is going oversold here. Like you can see over here, the Ethereum RSI on the daily time frame is currently getting oversold. And this, of course, means that there is a lot of sell pressure that has been in the market, and that is resulting in the relative strength index going towards an oversold territorium, because it's currently trading below the 30 on the index of the RSI. Usually once a market is oversold, especially on a daily time frame, it shows you a very good buy range here. Of course, it doesn't necessarily give you an exact bottom signal, but it does signify that the asset is trading on very good places where you could be accumulating it on. So, also, a very important thing to know here is, when was the last time Ethereum was definitely oversold on the market? Then we have to go a very well back, and like you can see right now on the left side of the screen here, we can see the last time that Ethereum was oversold here was here on in March of 2020. So, literally 2 years ago, a little bit less than 2 years ago, it was the last time that Ethereum was going oversold here. So that's of course quite a while back here, and that is already for me a signal that this is of course an extremely powerful range for accumulating your Ethereum tokens at. Because in the whole year of 2022 here, like you can see over here, we have been not got oversold here. We have been not able to get oversold for Ethereum. The whole year of 2021, Ethereum was not getting oversold, and right now we're in 2022 and we are getting oversold. So that is of course already a very important thing to know here. And as well, if we're going to real quickly look at the gains that Ethereum had been creating from low towards high here, from the last time it went oversold, we gained an approximately, let me see, 5.1k percent towards the upside. So we made an approximately, even more than that, excuse me. We made an approximately, let me say this correctly, 57x here from the latest point where we were going oversold of. So, the last time Ethereum was oversold, it gave you a 57x here from the low towards the high. So, once again, you're trading on very low levels where you could be starting to accumulate your Ethereums at, because Ethereum is trading on oversold territorium, and that does clearly give me a signal that Ethereum could be seeing a very strong bounce from this point. But, if I'm going to then go over the 3-day time frame, and in the 3-day time frame, I do see some very interesting things playing out as well. So currently, we can easily spot the trend, right? That's not so hard to do. So Ethereum has been in a very significant uptrend. It has been forming higher lows after higher low, after higher low, after higher low. And of course, I always say the trend is your friend till it ends here. And currently, we can clearly see Ethereum, the trend is towards the upside. And what we can see as well here, with this uptrend that currently is getting enabled, is that we're currently forming a hidden bullish divergence. Because what we currently can see here is that the price action on Ethereum is currently still forming higher lows, but while we're seeing a significant lower low getting created here on the RSI. So currently we can see a hidden bullish divergence is getting formed here on the market of Ethereum, what does clearly once again give me a signal that this is a very good accumulation range here. Besides that, Ethereum has been trading on a very critical horizontal range as well here several times before. So if we're going to be taking up the horizontal tool here, and if we're going to be setting up a box here on this level over here, it looks to me that Ethereum is retracing back towards ranges where I do want to be seeing Ethereum retracing towards, like I of course as well discussed yesterday in my live stream. So you can clearly see here on the summer low of Ethereum, we formed of course a lot of resistance around this 2,700 towards $3,000 range. We got a massive rejection and we moved down. Then of course in August we moved above it, and of course we retested this level of support, and since of that point we moved up again. Then of course in September we came down again and we once again retested the $3,000 range. And that range of course provides a very strong bounce all the way up here towards the $4,900, what was an approximately 83% move towards the upside. So right now, once again, we're retracing towards these levels, together with the bullish divergence, together with the RSI being oversold right now. It does clearly give you a very good buy zone for Ethereum, in my opinion. As well, if you do want to be swing trading this market, I think that this is also a very, very strong level for swing trading the market towards the upside. So if you do want to be opening any trades on Ethereum, don't forget to check out BYBIT here in the link description, because BYBIT is currently offering you a $4,100 deposit bonus for anyone who's going to set up their account through my link here in the description. As well, other thing to discuss here, and that is going to be the fundamentals, because the last time Ethereum surged, of course, very quickly in a very rapid pace here. In 45 days here, it moved up in approximately 133% here. And the question is, why did it move up so quickly? It was because of the London hard fork update. There was a hard fork update coming towards the Ethereum network, resulting in a lot of hype coming towards Ethereum. But currently, we do know that we're about to have another big update rolling out for Ethereum, because on the summer of 2022 here, early summer of 2022 here, so in approximately 6 months from now on, the next update is going to roll out here. We're going to have the merge, the new update. And what the merge is basically going to do here is that it will be remove the proof of work of Ethereum, and Ethereum will be completely go over proof of stake. So first of all, Ethereum will become way more environment friendly, but besides that, it's going to not anymore have proof of work. So you will be not anymore be able to mine your Ethereum, but how you from that point could be secure the network is by staking your tokens. And of course, that is also going to have another very interesting effect on the market, because currently we are having a 1.8% inflation a year in terms of Ethereum tokens that are coming towards the market. But after the update of the merge, we're going to be having an approximately 2.4% deflation a year instead of inflation. So every single year from that update that is going to come out this summer, remember that this summer the update will be coming here, Ethereum will be getting more scarce and more scarce and more scarce, because the less supply is going to be here. The same ask is for the ask. It's like demand slash ask, you know, and it will be changing up completely, because the demand it will be the same here, and of course only the supply is going to be less. So because the supply is going to be less and less over years, it will be probably having a very positive effect on the price section of Ethereum. So Ethereum will be as well incentivize holders to actually hold their tokens, because of course it's going to be only less and less in supply. And of course, if there's inflation in an asset, you want to be spending it. But if there's deflation in an asset, you want to be hodling it. So of course, most likely, Ethereum is going to be reaching way higher targets in towards this year. And especially as soon as the merge update comes out here, I think there's going to be a lot of hype and a lot of attention going towards Ethereum. And Ethereum could be definitely take out a lot of territory against Bitcoin. If you want to be asking my prediction, what I do expect where Ethereum will be trading on in the coming 6 months ahead of ourselves, I personally think that in June 2022, Ethereum will be trading between the 7,000 and 10,000 US dollars. And that is because then the update came out here, and then I do expect there's going to be a lot of hype around Ethereum. So can you make a 3x from here on in 6 months with Ethereum? My answer of that question is going to be yes here. I think you could easily make a 3x from here on with Ethereum if you're going to be investing here for the coming 3 months ahead of yourselves. Is this going to be extremely powerful for leverage traders? Yes, it will. So that's the reason why I'm as well right now in swing trade positions on Ethereum to trade this market towards the upside. So guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to right away slap up a like button here. And of course, if you want to be seeing more of my face, don't forget to subscribe to the channel as well. And of course, follow us on Twitter and all our other social media. So you can find everything in the link description. But guys, with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.